Hey Arfel, happy birthday. It's an honor for me to be your friend, and I am thankful that I met you for a purpose. 2018, or before pandemic it happened, it's a mutual friends that we've got with to get connected, and I am thankful and grateful to see you all the way. That seems like you got all your wishes, and at the same time keeping up to yourself what you've got that you deserve. What I like about you is how you protect and how you care your friends and your circle of friends around you. Just want to say thank you for putting me in your circles at the same time. And I am grateful because you're one of the blessings as well. Because of you, I've learned to just enjoy and at the same time to understand others' perspective. And eventually, we create more memories. Best regards to David. This is David's surprise for your birthday. And I wish you all the best together with David. And I wish you all guys be strong and be firm enough. As time will come, will this gonna mold you up over the epiphany of learnings and also this journey. Thank you because you're one of the phenomenal friends I got with over and over. And thank you for checking me always as well, my health and my situations. I'll see you this 13th. Happy birthday and enjoy your day. God bless you. Regards to you and to David. Enjoy. We love you both.
Hey, Arfel, happy birthday. I wish you all the best. I wish you all the money and the success in your career. Hindi na boylet kasi may jowa ka na. That's what I've said. Stop worrying because life is a party. Hey, let's go. I'll see you on your weekend party. Bye.
Hi Arfel, happy birthday and a happy new year. Dahil birthday mo, may in-invite akong artist para kantahan ka. Halika na. Kantahan mo na. Hi Arfel, this is Vina Morales and I would just like to sing to you. Buat duay to iwa. Happy birthday to iwa.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ikaw, tisa to. Happy birthday. I love you. Yay. Pogi. Happy birthday.
Hi sa AI kong Kuya Arpal. I just want to say that happy birthday and maraming salamat sa tulong na binigay mo sa akin. Maraming salamat sa pagmamahal, pag-aalaga, and sa laging pagpapaalala sa akin that I am a valued and worth it person. Na hindi ko kailangan mag-beg sa isang tao para mahalin ako at respetuhin ako. Dahil deserve kong matanggap yon kahit walang pagpumili. And then, maraming salamat sa tulong mo na ma-realize ko na hindi ko kailangan ibigay lahat sa ibang tao yung kaya kong ibigay. That kailangan may limitation lahat ng bagay na kailangan ko magtira sa sarili ko. So, thank you so much for that. And then, kung may problema ka man ngayon, always remember that God is always there. So, pray lang tayo, malalampasan din natin lahat. So, again, happy birthday and I love you. I miss you so much and see you soon. Bye!
Hi Arfel, happiest birthday. I just want to say how happy I am to have met someone like you. Someone who always think of other people right before himself, whether it's family or friends. You are such a ray of positivity in everyone's life. Just by looking at you, everything just feels so lighter. Isa ka palagi sa mga naaasahan whenever any of us need someone to talk to. And you are always there to listen and give advices. So I personally experienced this from you, and you've always made me feel so validated in everything that I say and in everything that I do. There are so many things to learn from you, and I know those lessons wouldn't have happened without your encouragement and the little push that we need in order to do things. I am grateful that even in such a short span of time that I have known each one of you and I get to meet all of you, I learned a lot of things that have shaped me who I am today. And thank you for accepting me and always including me in any plans that you guys had in the previous months. I will forever value the memories, the friendship that I shared with all of you. And I will never forget those times that you also listened to me, encouraging me to be better, and helped me become the full glow version of myself. So I wouldn't have to focus on my imperfections. I really miss the Bardagulan and Bonutano with you and some. I don't know. Teka lang, I need to process. Medyo nag-emotional kasi ako for everything that happened this past few weeks. But just I really wanted to thank you for just being there, always being there to listen when I need someone to talk to, and thank you for always making me happy with your presence. I just miss you so much and I can't wait to see you soon. Please enjoy your day and your celebration. Sana dumating tayo ng balasing ka. Salamat din sa lahat ng mga pictures ko na feeling ko nakakompile na sa phone mo. God, sana wag ma-post sa birthday ko. Pero anyways, this celebration is all about you. I just really wanted to see you, to enjoy and be with your family in this important day of your life. And I pray, Arfel, na may God always hear what your heart desires. Your family, for yourself, and for your friends. May God bless you as always. Love you, Arfel. Thank you for the friendship. I hope that we get to have more hangouts and more memories. Yun lang. Enjoy your day. Bye, Arfel.
Look who's here! Hi! It's your Beshi, Cinderella. Charot! Pero ayun, happy birthday, Besh Arfel. Oh my God. Yun, wish ko lang for you sana tawag dito, continue yung pagiging mabait mo, pagiging authentic sa sarili. And ayun, more blessings to come. Andito lang naman kami mga friend mo para i-support ka always. So ayun, oh my God, Besh, hindi na tayo tumatanda. Hindi na tayo bumabata. Oh my God. So ayun, sending you love and support. Always lang kami nandito. Love lots.
Birthday mo? Wait, actually. Happy birthday, Deng. Happy birthday, so I love you. I miss you so much na. Hindi ko na kailangan pahabayan. Basta alam mo na yon. Enjoy your day. More blessings and stay healthy palagi. And I'm happy for you na may partner ka na. Wait, actually. Stay strong sa'yo with David. Enjoy your day. See you soon. And I love you so much.
Goodness gracious! Birthday na ni Arfel! Edi happy birthday! Happy birthday! Edi happy birthday! Birthday na ni Arfel! At dahil birthday na ni Arfel, get up! Happy birthday, friend. Kailangan mo ako, friend. Dahil isa kang AI at isa akong Android. Happy birthday and thank you for being a representation of being a good friend. Thank you so much, Kuya. All the best for you.
Hoy Matsura, happy birthday! Ika, kaya nakamasyas buntok. Balalu mo ning buri kong sabyan. Anyway, happy birthday! I wish you all the best and happiness in life. More abundance and blessings to come for you. Ganda mo talaga. Well, I know marami ka na ring napagdaanan and you really deserve the best. And I know you are very much happy right now. I'm just here at your side, supporting you always, even though medyo malayo ako sa'yo. But alam mo naman na you can always count on me anytime. I'm just here in Manila. You know that I'm one text away, one call away. And I would really glad to assist and help you in case pag meron kang kailangan. Ever since naman na ganyan yung friendship natin. Pero next time hindi na talaga ako magpapakulay ng buhok. Alam mo na kung bakit. Yun yung first time na nagkakilala tayo, 'di ba? Doon tayo sa salon mo na minahal mo talaga, and later on nagkaroon lang ng problema, but you did manage to fix everything. You know your way out in any things that you do. And I'm proud to have you as your friend. And ayun, basta alam mo naman na kung kailangan mo talaga, I mean, kapag kailangan mo ng tulong, I'm just here. I'm at your side, ready to support you every step of the way. Alam ko masaya ka sa love life mo ngayon with David right now. O, ayan na. Pag inano ka ni Kuya David, sasapakin ko talaga si Kuya David. Joke lang. Okay, and this is your day. And just continue what you're doing right now. Be happy always. Don't mind all the negativity, all the hush-hush around you. Ayun lang. Happy birthday and enjoy the rest of the day. Kaluguranda ka. Maraming nagmamahal sa'yo. Love you always.
Happy birthday, JB! May your day be filled with joy and laughter, and may God give you all the strength that you need to succeed in life, and always pray, and God bless you.
Happy birthday, Disney Princess!
Love you!
Again!
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Little Mermaid!
No, my God.
Who's JB?
Give us a father.
Who?
This is the Father, Son, Holy Spirit. Amen.
Happy birthday, Rumi!
Happy birthday, Monsieur. Happy birthday, Disney Princess. I love you.
Birthday, JB! Malago, pretty, my niece. More birthday to come. And ingatan mo yung sarili mo. Ingatan mo nung nanong atin kaya kapakamalan mo. Ay mo pakyapusan na. Luguran mi, Dave. Soon, mag-Italy ka. Ako aming goal mo ka rin. I assure you. Dakal salamat. Kaliguran da ka. Kaliguran mo ko. Ngayon mo ko papo rin. Pagkaya sinabi kong stay ko kaya ka, tatanggapan mo ko. Stay healthy, JB. Pag tini-stress, smile ka mo. Diba? Para malago ka ta. I love you, JB. More birthdays to come. I love you so much. And luguran mi, Dave. And family na. Ang yato niya, kapatid mo, ayan mo, papo rin. Dakal salamat. Salute. I love you, JB.
Hi, Arfel. Happy birthday. Stay strong sa inyo ni Jed, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye. Good luck.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, B. More birthday to come. God bless. We love you. Asa yung gunting? Ang haba ng hair mo, be. Sana Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Bax! Alam ko unti-unti lang natutupad yung mga pangarap mo. Deserve mo lahat yan. I love you. Miss ka na namin. Sana this time, mag-set tayo, magdarating ka na. Love you. Bye. Miss you.
Hi, Bax! Happy birthday! Mahal na mahal kita kahit ano pang mangyari sa buhay nating dalawa. Tandaan mo yan. Wish ko lang for you is lagi kang maging masaya, matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay, makuha mo na yung forever mo talaga, tsaka maging mayaman. Syempre, nantay ko yung pagyaman mo, te. Lagi mo lang tatanda, nandito lang ako lagi. Di man tayo madalas magkausap, magkamustahan, di ka nawawala sa puso ko. Yun lang, mahal kita, Bax. Love you, ma.
Happy birthday, Daddy! Thank you for giving me belly rubs, treats, hugs, and a home full of love. You make my tail wag every single day. I may not say words like humans do, but I hope you know how much I love you. I wish you lots of happiness, good health, yummy food, and endless blessings today and always. Please keep smiling because you're my favorite person in the whole world.
Thank you,
Love.
JB, for taking good care of me. I wish all the best of you, and may God bless you always.
네가 너무 좋아 어떡해 네가 너무 예뻐 어떡해 아무나 수벌에 어떻게 생각해? 잔마 말고 말해 그르리 ayun, baby Bebu, love of my life, my golden sunrise. I just wanna say na ang ganda mo, gwapo mo. Alam mo ba, parang sa lahat ng Disney princess, ikaw yung pinaka-Disney princess na maganda. Ikaw yung Prince Charming ko. Pinaka-charming and adorable sa lahat. Ikaw rin yung pinaka-magaling na superhero para sa akin. Si Spider-Man, si Superman, wala lahat yun sa'yo. Tapos, para ka pang K-pop. Para kang Opa. Hindi, pero kidding aside. Sobrang ganda mo. Sobrang pogi mo. Sobrang bait mo. Yung heart mo, sobrang kind, genuine, sa family, sa friends, or in general. And, ayun, sana nag-enjoy ka tonight sa surprise swimming celebration mo. Sana na-touch ka sa messages ng mga friends, TikTok friends, close friends, best friends, family, sa mga napakinggan mo, napanood mo. Diba? Nakakakilig sila. Si sweet nila. So, sana enjoy mo yan. And right now, ako naman yung magme-message sa'yo. Upon my heart. Dahil I just wanna say na thankful ako so much nung nakilala kita. Alam ko, sobrang weird. Tsaka sobrang confusing nang nangyari kasi from heartbreak, diba? Umuwi ako dyan. Gusto ko lang ng closure or answer. Pero yung binigay ni Lord sa akin sagot, iba. Grabe. Isang Arvel ang pinadala sa akin sagot. And kaya sobrang thankful ako kay God na kilala kita. Kasi without you, baka naliligaw ako ng landas. Baka bumalik ako sa Italy ng literal miserableng buhay. Kaya, ayun, again, thank you for your life. Dahil sa'yo, binalik mo rin ako closer to God. It's been 3 months na tayo nagde-devotion. Non-stop, no skips. Araw-araw, inahabol natin yung sarili natin sa mga imperfections natin, sa mga pagkakamali natin, from the past and even right now. Basta continue lang tayo mag-show up kay Lord. Devotion lang tayo araw-araw hanggang sa
dumating yung time na we're really ready. And siguro pagka nagkita na tayo, pag uwi ko dyan, nasa best version na tayo. And ready na talaga tayong maging mag-asawa. Ay! Pakasalan na kita. Pakasalan mo na ako. Ayun nga, thank you. And gusto ko rin humingi ng sorry sa mga bagay na when it comes to immaturity, mga overthinking. Alam ko, madalas, inaasar kita, ni-stress kita. Sanay ka na kasi pag inaasar kita, ibig sabihin nun, mahal na mahal kita. And what else? Kaya mo, everyday, nag-grow ako. Inaaral ko para maging better para sa'yo. Kasi syempre gusto kong ibigay yung the best version ng lalaking mapapangasawa mo. Diba? Hindi pwedeng pucho-pucho lang. Arpal na yan, no? Ayun, I can't wait to be with you. Gusto na kita makasama. Araw-araw ako nalulumbay. Ang hirap nang di ka kasama. Yung pagsasama natin dyan, like 3 weeks lang, pero parang taon. Grabe yung impact mo sa life ko. Kaya, I can't wait to be with you. Araw-araw kitang iniisip. Umaga, gabi, hapon. Hanggang sa pagtulog. Tiis lang, konting tiis lang. Dadarating yung time na pag ready na, paghanda na, uwi na ako and sabay natin kulayan lahat ng drawings natin, mga plano natin. Sa ngayon, tuloy natin yung savings natin. And kung may mga magandang hindi nangyayari, like right now, merong season na pumasok na hindi maganda. Okay lang yan. I just wanna say na no matter what, high or low lows, I'll be here with you. Hindi kita iiwan. Hanapan natin ng solusyon lahat. And kung mga plano natin na mag-renovate sa bahay or pumunta ka dito sa Italy or whatsoever plans, makapaghintay lahat yun. Right now, mag-focus ka sa sarili mo. Nandito lang ako. Nasa tabi mo lang ako. I'm waiting for you to bounce back. No, I'm not waiting for you to bounce back. Sasamahan kita mag-bounce back. Kasi we're one na, right? Ayun, sana nag-enjoy ka tonight. May-enjoy mo yung circle of friends natin sa TikTok. And huwag mo muna isipin yung mga bagay na mabigat or malungkot or anything. This is your day. Celebrate mo to. And hindi pwedeng malungkot ka. Okay? Kumain ka ng marami. Uminom ka ng marami. Kung iinom ka. Dahil joke lang. Sige, pwede ka magpakalasing tonight. And what else? Meron pa ako isang surprise sa'yo. Ito surprise na to. Ang hirap niyang kontakin. Kasi basta ang hirap niyang kontakin. Pero buti na lang na nakausap ko siya. And ito nga, itong last video, gusto ko niyang i-greet. Nagkantahan ata. And sana ma-enjoy mo at magustuhan mo. Last, gusto ko sabihin sa'yo na mahal kita. Huwag kang magsasawa sa akin. Huwag kang titingin sa iba. Enjoy mo tong next video. And enjoy ka tonight. I love you so much. Very much. So much. Watch this.
생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 사랑하는 차은우 생일 축하합니다.
Happy birthday, Cutie.